This will be a how-to on how to test an email that you've been set up in the system. So essentially you'll come here to your welcome to VT3000 page. We're going to select this core software. It's going to bring us to our home page here. Where we want to go is communications. So we can select that icon here or from the menu over on the left. Select here. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. It's going to be defaulted to this on-site pager. What you want to do is click this down arrow. It's going to have all the different types of outputs. So for us right now, we're interested in email address. So I'm going to select that. It's going to bring us a list of our email addresses. So here I've got John Doe's email right here. Then down here, I'm going to type in the message that I want to send to him. So I'm just use this testing and saying like I'm trying at 12. Once I have that, then it can be whatever you want. I'm going to hit send. It's going to tell you that it sent it out. So now all you'll want to do is verify with this person that they got that email. If they didn't, then that means there's an issue in somewhere. You can just call us up and we'll be happy to help you take care of it. Once you're done, you return home, brings you back to the home page. And this will conclude our how-to article on how to test the email address. Look forward to talking to you again.